Hello, you are welcome. In this video, I will be showing you how to chat with a Chinese supplier on 1688. So let's begin. Let's choose this product for today's class. This is the product page where you would find the details of a particular product, the product images, description and both product reviews. This is the price of the product. Where the arrow is pointing is the chat button that directs you to their customer service. It seems I've chatted with this supplier before, but nevertheless, let's continue. We can't use English to chat since it's a Chinese app and their major audience is the Chinese market. So we need a translator that would help us to translate what we are saying in English to Chinese. This app is called Google Translate. You can find it on App Store or Play Store. So we need the Google Translate floating icon so that we don't have to screenshot and translate anytime we want to send or interpret messages. After turning on the Tap to Translate button, now let's go back to the 1688 app. This is how the floating icon looks like. I will be showing you how to use it effectively. So our message has been translated from English to Chinese. After translating the message from English to Chinese, all you have to do now is to copy the message from the floating icon and paste on the 1688 app. Before we proceed, let's understand something. You can see that there are two languages displayed on the floating icon: English and traditional Chinese. If you want to send a message, you set the language you speak and understand as your translate from and then set Chinese as your translate to. But if you want to translate the message a supplier sent to you, you set the Chinese as translate from and then English as translate to. Remember, we have copied the translated message already, so let's paste it on the 1688 app. Now, since we are using a shipping company to send it from China to your country, you need the China address of the shipping company. Remember to copy the translated message as usual and then paste it on the 1688 app. They have responded to our message. So let's translate their message to English. You can translate their messages by copying the message and then paste it on the floating icon. By doing so, you set your translate from as Chinese and then your translate to as English. Since we want to translate from Chinese to English, we can copy this message so we have to screenshot and translate. You can be able to know if the supplier has read your message or not. Practice what you have learned from the video and then send me a feedback. So that brings us to the end of this video. Click the follow button to get more videos like this. See you in the next video.